Don't throw stones when you live in a glass house. I got glass skin, baby. I can't throw shade. Well, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiosha. Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. Become part of the family. I love my family. I fools with all my folks. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Today I'm giving you this little glowy AF glass skin spring look, because you know I'm on my stallion flow this spring, this summer 2019, so I gotta be flawless. So I'm giving y'all this look. If y'all want to see how this look come out, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you can get updates of my latest uploads. Thank y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Wild concealer, Wet n Wild photo finish in the shade Light Ivory. I'm going into my Juvia's place, and I'm going to take that dark brown shade on the bottom. Okay, so I'm blending this color into my outer crease area. So if you don't know, I'm doing a halo. I'm talking about if you don't know, like I told y'all. So I'm doing a halo eye look because this look is about to be a real cute glowy spring look. So yeah, because you know the sun is out in Washington, so that means sun out, buns out. I'm about to be in these streets respectfully, because y'all know I'm married, so I'm about to be respectfully in these streets. That same palette, and now I'm going to use that dark brown shade Faz. I'm just patting that on my outer corner, my outer V, and I'm pat that on my inner V too, and I'm gonna blend it out. I saw a meme the other day, and it was like, who are you gonna be this summer? Janae Aiko, City Girls, or Ke The Stallion? And you know I'm from Florida, so I'm always gonna be a city girl, but I'm gonna be a little stallion this summer. I'm 5'2", and y'all be hating on the short stallions, but I want to be a stallion this summer. So what's y'all plans this spring? Let me know down below who you gonna be this summer. You gonna be a stallion, you gonna be a city girl, or you gonna be on your lovey-dovey Janae Aiko flow? Because the Janae flow is for the winter time. City girls and the stallions come out in the summer, spring. So if you want to be a Janae, your season has come and it has gone, boo. You got to get with the program. My next shade that I'm using is Berry Mousse, which is this tan shade on the bottom of the Douce palette by Juvia's place. And I'm using that to blend out. I'm just jumping around subjects, but this is weighing heavy on my heart. I feel like they played us with this series finale of Game of Thrones, because low key though, how did Daenerys become the one thing that she said she never wanted to be, right? And how the fuck did Jon Snow end up back at the Night's Watch? Like, how did Jon Snow not become king? Like, what? Like, Jon Snow was being a weak ass. Jon Snow was being weak AF this season. Like, he was just so sprung in love that he just could not get his mind together. But we know Jon wouldn't really go out like that. Like, really, if you're gonna kill the love of your life, at least become king. Like, how did he not become king? Like, how they found out that Jon killed Daenerys? Did he tell on himself? And like, how did Daenerys become the Mad Queen when her whole goal was to not be the Mad Queen? Like, I don't understand. Like, somebody gotta tell me something. And Arya, like, no, not even Arya. We ain't even worry about Arya. Cersei Lannister. How sis get crushed under a pile of rocks? How did she get crushed under a pile of rocks? Like, all these years she been tormenting people. The next shade that I'm going into is this chocolate shade in the Douce palette. Like, all these years she been tormenting people, and everybody died cruel, horrible deaths at the hands of her, and she get crushed under some rocks. Somebody said that it was like poetic, like she got crushed under the very city that she thought was beneath her. And I mean, yeah, you know, that's cool or whatever, but seriously. I'm using the Nicka K liquid eyeshadow in Earthly Blonde Bronze. Putting this in the center of my eye. In that space that I left blank. And I'm gonna take this up high. I'll blend that out with my finger. On my NYX glitter in the shade Lumi Light, of course. You can't even see the quality of this look. Like, you can't even see how good this looks. I'm kind of devastated about that. Look. Once I blend my edges out, I'm about to be fired. I'm going in first with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. As per usual, this is my favorite moisturizer, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. And it's good for, you know, neutralizing the pH of your skin. And I just use that everywhere. Because I have like combination like dry to normal skin. So, normal to dry skin. I'm going to go in with this Ulta Beauty Illuminating Rose Water. Must be ghetto, and just like put that on my face, you know, pick up some of those highlighting particles. And then now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer in Dewy Luminex. I like this stuff. All right, so now we got our skin nice and prepped and moisturized and luminous. Oh, look at it. Just look at that. Imagine when you go out in the sun and it hit. Mix this with my AJ Crimson Artist Kit in the shade 7. So yeah, I don't know. I'm out of my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. So this is what I'm going to try. But with this foundation, it is a bit oily. So if you use way too much, child, when I tell you, you will be a grease ball. I normally blend my AJ Crimson in with the sponge, but I'm going to use this brush since I am using a liquid on top. And this summer I'm going to be a luminous stallion. What? So now that I'm like a grease ball, a red grease ball, look at my face compared to my chest. I'm about to fix it. So now my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. This is my dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. And this concealer dries down fast, y'all. So you kind of gotta work swiftly. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm not gonna show it because I use it all the time anyway. I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush, and I just use this to blend my concealer. And I'm gonna go get my contour that I forgot, and I'll be right back. Be right with 1 sec. I got my Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Black Walnut. All this cream, y'all. I'm going to have to set my face down. And I'm using a mixture of my L'Oreal and my Ben Nye Topaz powder to set. As you can see, I'm greasy. Look at the difference. I'm about to bake a little bit because I do have to do my under eye. Now I'm gonna go in to my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and I'm using the shade Pecan. I mean, why do I keep saying pecan like I'm not from the South? Pecan. Don't mind my edges, they will be laid in a minute. I am natural. Spraying is one of the most important parts of this spring because you have to get that powder away, bring that dewiness back to the skin. Look at that. This all you need to get a glass skin is a loose highlighter, a loose pigment. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I just want to bathe in this stuff. Like, oh, I will swim in this stuff. And I'm going in with my CoverGirl lipstick in the shade 255 Tempting Toffee. It's very moisturizing. Going over top with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. You know I cannot just do one gloss. So I'm going in with my Revlon gloss. And this is in the shade, this is Sky Ke The Stallion who? Ke The Stallion. So this is the final look. I hope y'all like it. This is my spring glowy AF glass skin look. I hope y'all liked this tutorial. If you did, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you liked about it. Tell me what I can improve, what you disliked about it. Let me know how you rocking this spring, how you rocking this summer. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.